Trade Union Congress for Rivers State don't come out for one we no go agree movement to demand say make the Nigerian AGIP oil company reverse smart for the decision say they won't transfer their workers to OANDO PLC. The protesters will block the entrance of the Nigerian AGIP oil company for Port Harcourt come talk say the decision na planned for investors to trouble Niger workers.
Pengasing National is 100% free behind what is happening here. We are not wavering. There is no way it has never happened before. Even in OANDO and Brothers, Jubilee companies, where you move workers to a known entity. How? Not to talk of a company like AGIP. What's going on in this country?
Chairman of the Rivers State Trade Union Congress, Ikechukwu Onyefuru, wey lead the no go green movement, come talk say AGIP workers no dey willing to go for transfer to work for one oga wey dem no know. He come say dem follow due process and do the right thing. He can also call on the governor of Rivers State, Similayi Fubara, to draw the Nigerian AGIP oil company ear to do the right thing and make he ensure say the rights of the people where they work they protected.
This is another action, draconian action of investors, claimed investors in Nigeria to continue to traumatize Nigerians via acts of racism. Congress, we want to use this medium to expressly demand immediate reversal of this purported draconian action of now. You cannot transfer us to any unknown principal. As far as we know, to the best of our knowledge, OANDO remains a maiden interloper in the life of every business in Nigeria. Therefore, they lack the merit as maiden interlopers. They don't have any right to claim that they have inherited us from now on. We will resist every action to get things to happen. We will resist any further draconian move against all Nigerian staff in now. We will use solidarity from TUC University to ensure that the right thing is done. That our people are no longer subjected to abrupt health challenges, irrespective of the ongoing socio-economic challenges that we are already suffering. We want to use this medium to inform His Excellency, the #1 citizen of Rivers State, the #1 employer of Rivers State, His Excellency Sir Similayi Fubara, to please deploy your magnanimity and recall AGIP to order.
Make na not forget say as we see am na so we dey talk am, we no dey take blame. From Port Harcourt, Rivers State, Pelumi Mukoro, TMC TV News.